Hey guys, so what's up? Okay, today's gonna be a different video because today I'm gonna be talking about my makeup, my hair, and my outfit. I know you've seen this shoot before. It's okay. But have you guys seen this shoot before? Mm, but it's okay because it's been weeks and it got washed and I washed it. Yeah, anyways, I didn't have to necklace no more because I had to go and get it out because we had broke, so I just took it out. So if y'all wondering what happened to the broke, yeah, but and I got this thing. It's like a white shirt under. It's connected, and it's like this gray and dark gray. It's like awesome, isn't it? My pants, I got these shorts on. I know y'all seen these pants a month ago. And then my other outfit today. So that's my outfit. But on to my hair. Don't say anything about my hair. I know that stuff has changed, but it's not my fault. So I see this around my bed, so I just put it in my hair. But I didn't straighten my hair. Just put it in a ponytail. So, my bangs used it right here. Mom told me to cut it, so I cut it right here. So I straightened the ends of my pussy. So that's that. On to my makeup. Okay, my makeup, I think it's black. And yes, I did mess up on my liquid eyeliner, and I'm not proud of that. But that's my eyes, and for my lips, it's nothing really. I don't got nothing on my lips because I don't feel the need for it to be putting anything on my lips right now. But for that, oh, you can see the background, I think. Okay, so my makeup, my hair, I just put this red thing on it in this pink bow. You can only match my shirt or anything, but on my pants, I just put it on my head. I don't know, but it looks cute. And my ends are straightened. And my bangs are straightened. As you can see, this is my first time chewing gum. And yeah, I'm put this back down. So if you're gonna see again, this is my outfit. This is all around my hair and me makeup. Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Kind of different from my other videos, but I think it wasn't gonna be short. I don't know yet, but if I do time, and for jewelry, just like this little ring, I guess. And I'm going to be getting my nails done later on today. So I'll show you a sneak peek of my nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look of the day, hair of the day, and outfit of the day. So talk to you guys in another video. Bye.